Hey, Skylar here from the men Change You Can Wear. And today we're gonna be making some earrings out of these guys. Little 10th ounce US gold eagles. And the very first step is to get these little guys made into coin rings. Yeah, I actually came up with this idea for these earrings last Christmas. I made a set of earrings for somebody and just loved the design. And then I totally forgot about it until I started making that dime chain a couple weeks ago. I went to the coin shop looking for some dimes to make them out of, but then I thought it would look so much cooler in 22 karat gold. So that's why we went with the 10th ounce gold eagles. Make sure you check out my website, changeyoucanwear.net. These earrings should be up there. Also, make sure you check out my other channel, Sojourn Fine Jewelry. There's no coin ring stuff on there. It's all fine jewelry, and we are making all kinds of neat projects coming up on that channel as well. All right, guys, thank you for watching another video, and I will catch you next time.